Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will be exploring how we can learn to dance in the rain, or in other words, find peace within life's constant flux. To begin this meditation, bring yourself into a comfortable seated position with your back straight, your shoulders relaxed, and your hands comfortably landing in your lap or on your thighs. Gently close your eyes if they're not already closed, and allow any contracted muscles to soften. Pay particular attention to those muscles in your forehead, your jaw, your shoulders, and your belly. By softening the body in this way, we invite a gentle surrender to the practice. Now take a few moments to tune into the natural flow of your breath. Simply observe the sensation of the breath as it enters through your nostrils, moves down your windpipe, and fills your chest and your belly. And in the same way, observe the feeling of the same sensation in reverse. As you pay closer attention to the breath in this way, see if you can liken this movement of air to passing waves or flowing clouds. Witness the gentle coming and going of the air that nourishes you without becoming fixated on any single movement. Notice if it is possible to deepen your sense of surrender, tuning in once again to the muscles that tend to tighten within you. See if you can melt a little bit further into this present moment by compassionately softening any contraction or resistance that you observe. Tuning into the breath in this way is like opening a door into our budding ability to go with life's flow, or to dance with the beat that life brings. So as you rest here in silence for just a few more moments, notice what it feels like to go with the flow that continually moves through you. Throughout this human life, each of us will encounter moments of difficulty. As sentient beings, it is impossible to pass through life completely untouched. And while this knowing might stir fear, resistance, or anxiety within us, opening ourselves to this truth can help us to move through the challenges we will come to face, or to the challenges we might be facing at present. Alan Watts once said, "The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance." A very strong human tendency that many of us have acts in contradiction to this. Rather than embracing change, we tend to tighten up in the face of it. We might try to control, deny, or suppress the flow of life in order to avoid pain. However, when we tune into what lives in our hearts, we discover a deeper knowing that it is not possible to avoid all change or to escape certain difficulties. So to practice opening ourselves up to this ever-changing flow of life, tune in once again to the breath. Observe the way that the breath never stays fixed, and yet it exists in complete harmony. There is a deep sense of peace in the breath's ever-changing nature. If thoughts arise, notice the roots of them without judgment. Perhaps there is an underlying current of fear, or perhaps you sense the energy of judgment, avoidance, or an opening. Whatever you discover, see if you can open yourself up to this finding without creating additional stories about what is present. And once you have compassionately noted what is present, return to the gentle rhythm of your breath to guide you. Dancing in the rain, or opening ourselves to the flow of life, does not mean that we will always feel good or happy about what is happening. However, warming ourselves up to whatever change we are experiencing helps us to live, move, and breathe with greater ease in the face of difficulty. When the sky is heavy, witness your thoughts and feelings as though they are passing clouds. And you are the clear sky behind the weather pattern, which will soon come to shine through. Now, slowly bring your attention back to the room, keeping your eyes closed for just another breath. Become aware of your physical body and your presence here. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes as you take in your surroundings once again. I hope you enjoyed today's session. See you again.